One. Come on in.
My friends, all the way down, please. Thank you, guys.
Is that a deal?
Is it okay? Is it instead of like kids are fancy or not or individual? I know it's true.
Go ahead and move all the way forward, please. And we do have some of your friends in the front row to take one step back from the silver alley, please.
Nothing can stop us now. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
The cats are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect day. We'll sing a song and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're heading down the open highway, and I'm glad you're going my way. Everything's just so peachy and clean.
Hi, Goofy.
Well, it's a beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We're in any trouble.
Well, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sure, Goofy. Sounds like fun.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your car at all times. Please remain seated and be sure to keep a watchful eye on your little ones. Okie dokie. Thanks.
Hola, pasajeros. Durante nuestro viaje en tren, para su seguridad, mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de sus coches. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Number one. Over here.
One.
Took number two. Oh, you did. Okay, yeah.
Disneyland.
guys are ready, hold down on those lap bars, everybody. And push back up on the lap bars, everyone. And my second row, push back up. Excellent. Ready to roll.
So excited.
I know.
Anyway, right around the front side of the ball.
Bill, there's the sun. Doing it.
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. Ready for a relaxing ride around the park? Hey, Mickey and Minnie. Worry, there with me. What could possibly go wrong?
I must have hit that track switch.
Hurry. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! Ready right now! Oh boy!
We made it!
Nothing can stop us now! We have to stop them before they go over the...
Together. Now, let's
time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Now, how do you stop? I'll just check my trusty man. Let's see. Ow! Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. You don't have any other plans? Well, hey, niggers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I can
Where's Pluto?
back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!
Alright, everyone, make sure to watch your step as you exit. Gather all your belongings and have a great night. We'll see you real soon.